Relaxing by a peaceful waterfall. Imagine relaxing by a peaceful waterfall with this visualization relaxation script. Take a mental vacation and enjoy the gentle water of a beautiful waterfall in a quiet stream. Welcome to Relaxation Audio with Candy. Find more peaceful relaxation scripts for sleep, stress relief, and health at relaxation-audio.com. Lie down in a comfortable position and close your eyes. Allow yourself to start to relax. Let go of the cares of the day as you take a few moments just to relax. Little by little, feel the tension melting away as your muscles soften, releasing tension as you settle in, letting go. Breathe slowly and calmly, letting the air move softly in through your nose and out through your mouth. Let each breath relax you as you take in a relaxing breath of air and let go of tension as you exhale. Imagine that the air you breathe relaxes you as you inhale. Picture letting go of tension and the tension leaving your body as you breathe out. Breathing in relaxation and breathing out tension. Now start to create a picture in your mind. Imagine that you're walking through a valley next to a small stream. The water flows gently, meandering along a rocky stream bed. The valley is wide and peaceful. You're walking along a path made of packed dirt and stones. The valley is covered with grass and flowers. There are small trees and shrubs near the path where you're walking, and in the distance there are larger trees. Hills on each side of the valley rise up on either side of you, and behind the hills there are tall mountains. The stream meanders along the middle of the valley, winding its way around rocks and little hills. The path follows the stream. From the path, you have a beautiful view of both sides of the valley and the beautiful mountains around you. The path winds gradually uphill, and the water of the stream is running toward you. Imagine walking up the gentle slope, enjoying the sunshine and the serenity of this peaceful valley. In the distance, the valley meets towering cliffs. You walk toward the tall cliffs, their peaks reaching up into the clear blue sky. Imagine this beautiful valley. This is such a nice, pleasant walk. As you approach the cliffs, you can see that there is a waterfall where the stream cascades down toward you. Mountains in the distance are covered with snow, and the melting snow runs down to create streams and rivers. You are closer to the cliffs now, and up ahead is the waterfall. The water cascades down the cliff. Near the waterfall, there are several large rocks. Imagine walking up to the edge of the stream at the bottom of the waterfall and sitting on a large, smooth rock. The rock is the perfect height for a chair, and a larger rock behind it makes a supportive backrest. Imagine sitting on the rocks and leaning back to gaze up at the waterfall. The water flows down from the top of the cliff above. Some parts of the waterfall are white, where the water falls for a distance in mid-air. Other parts are transparent, where the water trickles over rocks and flows down more slowly. There are many places where the water changes direction as it moves down the cliff. There are small pools along the way, where you can see that there are small flat areas along the cliff face. Imagine looking at all the parts of this beautiful waterfall. It is so peaceful here. The sound of the water is calming and serene. The stream is small, so it trickles and flows softly rather than crashing. The sound of the water is so relaxing. Picture the peaceful waterfall at the end of a quiet valley. Imagine the feeling of the sun shining down and warming your skin. Imagine feeling so relaxed, so peaceful and calm. Imagine watching the water as it moves down the cliff, slows as it reaches a pool in the rock, flows over the edge of the pool and down, glistening over rocks. Picture the water flowing down to another pool, and then dropping down a vertical part of the cliff to reach the next pool. Imagine the water splashing as it reaches the pool, an ever-continuing splash as more and more water flows down. Imagine following the waterfall with your eyes as it weaves down the cliff face to reach the bottom. Picture the water flowing past you in a shallow stream. The waterfall is small in width, but it is tall. Some of the rocks next to the waterfall are covered with moss. The waterfall provides mist that keeps the moss growing. The rocks in the water are smooth, worn from the water flowing along them. Visualize the contours in the rocks. As you look at the cliff, you notice that there are little trees growing here and there. Birds land in their branches. A little bird lands on a rock at the edge of the waterfall and then leans forward to take a quick drink of water before flying away. The wet rocks glisten in the sunshine. This is such a beautiful place. Imagine closing your eyes and resting. It is so peaceful here. You are completely safe and comfortable. The sound of the water is relaxing, lulling you into deeper and deeper relaxation. Allow your muscles to relax even more as you rest here next to this peaceful waterfall. So relaxed and peaceful and serene. Let all your worries go as you rest next to the waterfall. So deeply relaxed, so peaceful. Imagine that all stress can be washed away, flowing away just like the water that flows past you. Imagine letting go of stress, tension, and worries, and allow them to drift away, just like the water that flows down the waterfall and away. Allow all tension to drift away, leaving only relaxation. So calm and relaxed. Now you can choose whether to reawaken or drift off to sleep. If you choose to reawaken, open your eyes and reorient yourself to your surroundings, and then conclude this relaxation exercise feeling peaceful and calm. If you choose to go to sleep, continue to relax and allow your body and mind to rest. Imagine taking a peaceful nap right here by the waterfall, and allow yourself to drift off to a peaceful, pleasant, and restful sleep.